Okay, we have an iPhone 6 and we will need to change the display. You will need a screwdriver for these two screws. An opening tool like this. I prefer this because it's a lot easier to go here and just like that. We must disconnect the battery first. Unscrew all these screws. It's a lot easier if you are organized. If you take these screws, put one screw here, 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 and here, and the plate near the screws. It's a lot easier when you want to put them back. Tweezer. You can try to disconnect the flex cables with your hand or with this. And to disconnect all these ribbon cables. Okay. After you take the screen out, you must take first these screws, put them somewhere where it can't disturb you. I will put this here, here, okay. Now we have three screws here. We have the microphone, the camera, and the speaker. You must be careful because you have a screw which is longer than the others. Remove this, and now carefully remove the camera with a tweezer. This is the speaker. You can take this with your hand, and with this podger disconnect here, but careful because you don't want to break anything. This is the tricky part because we have the microphone and it's glued to the frame. Take your time and it will work. Now we must disconnect the button. Like this. Disconnect the flex cable, and you must be very careful here because this is glued, and if you If you rip this, you will no longer have fingerprint. You must walk around, and here it goes. And then we need to remove this. But be very careful here. Like this.
Dzieci.